the stress-free living course, we begin by understanding what stress is. And stress is a form of pain. Now, any pain is not good for anyone whatsoever, but it acts as a messenger that comes to tell you that there's something that we need to learn, something that we need to change in our lives. Secondly, we explore how to recognize stress. And the question is, how do we know that we are stressed? Now, some of the signs of stress include anger, worry, guilt, anxiety, and impatience. Now, most of these signs are experienced on a mental level, but the more of these signs we have and the more often we have them, we can begin to experience them on a physical level in some form of physical discomfort. We also look at some of the triggers of stress, but not the causes of stress. And this can be a person or a situation at work or home, or an event such as... And what should we do when we realize that we are stressed? And as I mentioned at the beginning, stress is a messenger that comes to tell you to make some changes. And what we really need to change is simply our thoughts, because it is our thoughts that create our feelings and our words and our actions. The important thing to remember is that we create our own thoughts. And as creators of our own thoughts, we have a choice to create thoughts that will generate feelings that are either stressful or stress-free. So we know what stress is. We know it is pain. And we can recognize some of the signs, including anger. And we know what to do, which is to change our thoughts. But how can we prevent stress? Now, we do this by creating more positive thoughts as opposed to negative thoughts. This might require that we monitor what we are thinking now and then, so that if we catch ourselves having negative thoughts, we can transform them into positive thoughts. And so positive thinking becomes the main method through which we can prevent stress.